Resists abrasion and corrosion. Made of high quality. Highly durable and reliable. Easy installation. Manufactured under stringent standards. Motorcraft oil pressure switches are designed and tested to meet OE specifications for durability and reliability under extreme conditions. They are manufactured under stringent standards, ensuring lasting durability. These switches resist abrasion and environmental corrosion. Top reviews from the United States. Oil pressure switch was not the problem. I had to eliminate problems with the 6.0. The oil pressure switch was not one of them, it was my injectors which failed after 323,749 miles. The metal ring from the injector went into the low-pressure oil pump.